Good morning, students. We are continuing the exercises of flying together. Now, look at this question. Here are some answers about the given picture. Some answers are given. Now, we have to frame questions. We have to make questions for the above answers. So, I think by now you will be able to do it. Let's try it again. First answer is the color of the ant is black. So we have to see that if we have answered this question, if we have this answer, then what would have been the question? The color of the ant is black. So is it talking about a place? If it was talking about a place, then it would be a where question. If it was talking about a time, then it would have been a when question. Do you remember those words, WH words that we use for making questions? What are they? What, when, where, why, who, and last one H question is how, कैसे. So ये आंसर तो कैसे वाला आंसर नहीं है, ना ही where वाला है, ना ही when वाला है, why भी नहीं है. So what is it? It's a what question. What is the color of the ant? I think you understood this. Next answer is it lives on land. ज़मीन में रहता है. So what is it talking about? It is talking about the place. So when it is talking about a place, the question is a where question. For example, we ask you, where do you stay? I stay in Silchar. So it is talking about a place. Where are you going? कहाँ जा रहे हो? Whenever there is a कहाँ question, where, it is asking us about the place. So this answer is telling us that the ant lives on land. So it is talking about a place. So the question must be, where does it live? Next answer is it has two long antennae. Can you see it on the ant? It has two long antennae. So now it is giving us a number 2. So it's not a where question because it's not asking us about a place. It's not a when question. It's not a why question. क्यों है? ये तो नहीं पूछा. It is giving us a number. So whenever we ask you, how many students are there in your class? You're talking about a number. So in the same way, the question for this answer is, how many long antennae does the ant have? Or how many long antennae it has? Next, it crawls on the ground. So where does it crawl? It crawls on the ground. Again, place. It is talking about a place. Where does it crawl? It crawls on the ground. Last, it eats sugar. I think it is the easiest. You try it yourself. if if I ask you, if I answer, I eat banana, so what would you have asked me that I'm answering you as I eat banana? It's a what question. What does it eat? What does it eat? So it eats sugar. This was a very easy question. We are leaving this third question. We will do it later, not right now. We are going to the next page. Question 5, which is a similar kind of question. Fill in the blanks given below with question words. Same kind. For example, where do you live? Right? So it is asking about a place. I live in wherever you live. So first is dash do you play? It can be a where question also. Where do you play? आप कहाँ खेलते हो? And it can also be a what question. आप क्या खेलते हो? What do you play? Both are correct. Okay. When do you play is also correct. आप कब खेलते हो? So all three are absolutely correct. Second is dash do you get up? Now tell me what is the question word that we should fill this in? When do you get up? Because it is asking us about a time. आप कब जगते हो, है ना? So this is a when question. When do you get up? How do you get up? Why do you get up? These are not that appropriate. All right. So when do you get up? Third is dash do you have for breakfast? So would you like to think about this one? Is it a where question? Is it a when question? Is it a why question? Is it a who question? It's a what question. What do you have for breakfast? So the more you will practice, the more you will get to know that which word we should fit in. And for that you have to practice. You have to practice speaking also. So in everyday life, you should speak some sentences. You should try to speak as much in English language as possible. So fourth is dash do you go to school? It can be a when question. When do you go to school? Right? Again time. When do you go to school? Can it be a what? What do you go to school? No, it can't be a what. It is only a when do you go to school. And it can also be a why. Why do you go to school? I go to school to study. So why is also correct. How do you go to school? That is also correct. आप स्कूल कैसे जाते हो? I go to school by bus or by car or by walking. So that is also correct. How do you go to school? Fifth, dash do you like best in the school? games, art, or music. So it has given us some choice, games, art, or music. So what do you think is the best question word we should put here? आपको इनमें से क्या पसंद है, गेम्स, आर्ट और म्यूजिक? क्या क्वेश्चन आया ना, सो जब क्या क्वेश्चन आया है देन वी यूज व्हाट डू यू लाइक बेस्ट इन द स्कूल, है ना? ऑल राइट. 6th is dash is your birthday. सो बर्थडे आपसे कुछ टाइम का मांग रहा है, कुछ डेट टाइम, है ना? सो जब टाइम का होता है तब क्या होता है? आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू दिस आंसर, यू हैव टू थिंक फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड आंसर. डैश इज योर बर्थडे. हमने बहुत सारा डिस्कस कर लिया. नाउ यू कैन आंसर and I have given you a hint also. It's a time question, date and time question. Last, dash do you want for your birthday? Again very easy. This is also your home task. So last two questions are your home task. Think about this. Dash do you want for your birthday? I think by now you will be able to answer. So for today we are going to do these two questions in the copy, and I will also give you the written part also through WhatsApp and Google Classroom, and there will be 2 blanks for your home task. The questions that we have left, that is question number 3 and question number 4, we will discuss this tomorrow. I hope you understood this part. If you have any doubt, you can comment and ask me, or you can ask me tomorrow also. Thank you.